Hello everyone, if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious smothered green beans with sausage and potatoes. So I already prep all my ingredients, cut my green beans in half and wash them up real well. I'll be using these petite yellow potatoes and some andouille sausage. I have some chicken broth and all the seasoning that I have here I will list in my description box. I'll be using some bacon as well as some onions and bell peppers. I also have garlic and a little bit of flour. To a preheated skillet, I will add the bacon, allow the bacon to release the oils and become golden brown. Then we'll remove it and we will add the sausage, cook it the same way, allow it to become golden brown. Then we'll remove that and we'll go in with our aromatics, which are the onions and the bell peppers. Give it a good stir and allow it to go for about a minute or two, and then we will add the garlic in there. I didn't want the garlic to burn, so I'm adding it now. Allow it to go for a few seconds. Then we will add our flour. You want to also allow the flour to go for about a minute or two so you can cook away the raw taste first before adding the chicken broth. So at this point, you want to add the chicken broth and follow up with the seasonings to add a bit of flavor and taste to it. And you can taste and make sure it suits your own preference. We will allow it to come up to a simmer or a boil before adding the green beans and potatoes. Now, I forgot to hit record when I was adding in the green beans and potatoes, so you didn't see me adding it in here, but that's all I added. And now we will set the lid on and allow it to go for about 30 minutes on medium to low heat. After 30 minutes, this is how it's looking. Perfect. Now we will add in our sausage and bacon back in here. Give it a stir. And that's it, guys. That's how simple and easy this is. And it's one of the best green beans recipes. You can have this as an actual meal. Just add some rice and you're good to go. But today I'm going to be serving it up as just a side, you know. But it can go as a full meal. It's absolutely delicious and I can't wait for you guys to give it a try. Now let me plate it up and show you all the finished product. And here you have it, smothered green beans with sausage and potatoes. This was so flavorful, juicy and delicious. I did serve it up with some cornbread, a steak, and some mashed sweet potatoes. Let me tell you, the combination of all of these, the sweetness with the savoriness, and everything just paired real well, and I truly enjoy this meal. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.